welcome to today's video. It has been a few weeks since I've done a voiceover on a cleaning video, and that is because we currently have Chichibella with us, staying with us for a couple of weeks, and she has to be near me at all times. You will see her pottering about, but we're starting off today in the kitchen. This is just like a regular, everyday sort of clean with me, except for hoovering the stairs. We do vacuum the stairs, but I don't do that every day. I do that like once a week. But we're starting off spritzing down the sides, giving it a hoover and a spray mop. Then move on to the living room, give that, just a general tidy, and then the bathroom before vacuuming the stairs. In the mop, I just have some all-purpose flash floor cleaner.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt.
Moving on upstairs, we are just going to bleach the bath. I don't think I've ever bleached this bath since I've moved into this house. And then go in with the Sephora bathroom spray and wipe everything down.
Somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'cause I found my way.
And then to finish off today's video, we are just going to vacuum down the stairs with the Henry. The Henry is definitely my favourite vacuum cleaner. I would like to invest in the cordless one, but that might be a Christmas situation, not anytime soon for downstairs. But it is definitely the best one out of all of my vacuums. And we're just going to vacuum down the stairs, and then that is it for today's video.
'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way.
Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.
My way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way.